Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you all about like operator. What is like operator and how to use it in different examples. Let me show you. In SQL, like operators is used in where clause to compare a value to similar values using wildcard operators. There are two wildcard operators used in conjunction with the like operator. One is the percent sign and second one is the underscore. The percent sign represents 0, 1 or multiple characters and the underscore represents a single number of characters. These symbols can be used in combinations. So you can combine n number of conditions using AND or operator along with the like operator. So this is the basic syntax of like operator. Let me show you with some examples. In this tutorial, I am going to use like operators on employees table. Let me show you its details. DESC employees. So these are the number of columns present in the employees table along with its data types. So for first example, suppose you want to find employee whose last name starts with D. So you can use the following query. Let me show you. For this, select last name, first name from employees where last name like in quote we have to give D and a percent sign, semicolon. We will get all the records having the last name starts with D. But you have to be careful while using the like operator. In this case, we are using capital D here because the like operator uses case sensitive letters. In this case, if we run the same query with small d, let me show you. If you take the small d, we will not get any records because the last name starts with capital letters only. So you have to be careful while using like operator. For the next example, we will find out employees whose first name ends with T. So you can execute the following query. Let me show you. Select first name, last name from employees where first name like in quotes percent T. We have to give percent sign before T. So we will get the records having the first name ends with T letter. We can put the wildcard at the beginning and at the end of a string to match any string that contains the string within the wildcards. For example, to find out the employees whose last name contains string LL, you can use the following query. Let me show you. For this, just type select first name, comma, last name from employees where last name like in quotes percent LL percent. We have to use two wildcard operators here, semicolon and enter. We will get all the records which contains the string LL in the last name. So far we have used our first wildcard operator, which is %sign. So now it's time to use our second wildcard operator, which is underscore. which represents a single number or character. Let me show you with some example. In the first example, we will getting employees whose first name is 5 letters long and starts with J. So let's get into it. Select first name, last name from employees, where first name like in quotes. Our first condition is the first name starts with J. So capital J, and it is a 5-letter word. So we have to give underscore 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After hitting semicolon and enter, we will get the employee name whose first name is 5 letters long and starts with J. In the second example, we are going to retrieve the employee's name whose first name has 5 letters and whose second letter is A. For that, just use select first name, comma, last name from employees, where first name like in quotes, we will give first letter which will be any letter. So we have to give underscore. Now the second letter should be A and the remaining 3 letters could be any letters. So 1, 2 and 3 underscores. So we will get the records for employees whose first name has 5 letters and in which second letter is A. We can also combine 2 wildcard characters to construct a pattern. So for example, we can find employee whose last name starts with any single character followed by a character A and ends with any character. For this, we just have to type select first name, last name from employees, where last name like in quotes, we have to give the first letter, could be any letter, so underscore, second letter should be A, so A, and it should have any letters beyond A, so %. We will get all records for employees whose last name starts with any single character followed by A and ends with any characters as below. In this tutorial, we have briefly understood what is a wildcard operators, how the like operator works, and how we can use them in different scenarios with some basic examples. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also ring the notification bell to get further notified.